Rome almost died, and one man basically hit the save button. Marcus Furius Camillus, 4th century BCE Italy. Rome isn't an empire. It's a scrappy city-state with big enemies and even bigger problems. Camillus shows up as a relentless general. His first headline act, Veii. Rome's rival just up the road. After years of stalemate, he tunnels under the walls, literally, and takes the city. It's bold, messy, and genius. He dedicates a cut of the spoils to the gods, flexes as a triumph guy, and suddenly he's the name on everyone's lips. But Rome being Rome, politics explode. Arguments over money, pride, and religious promises get him exiled. And then, perfect timing, disaster. The Gauls sweep down, smash Rome at the river Allia, and walk into the city. Think smoke, panic, and a skeleton crew holed up on the Capitoline Hill. Who do they call? The guy they just kicked out. Camillus returns as dictator. He rallies survivors, hits the Gauls with surprise, discipline, and sheer nerve, and drives them off. Legend says he answered woe to the conquered with a sword of his own. Either way, Rome lives. Then comes the rebuild. Some Romans want to abandon the ruins and move to comfy, intact Veii. Camillus? Hard no. He gives a spine-tingling speech. Stay, rebuild, remember who we are. And they do. He's later called the second founder of Rome. Not bad for a guy almost cancelled by his city. He serves as dictator multiple times, beats Volsci, Equi, and Etruscans, and dies during a plague around 365 BCE. But his real legacy? A pattern. When Rome panics, leadership matters. Camillus turned chaos into continuity. Rome didn't just survive. Because of him, it learned how to. If you like near-death comebacks, Rome's got more. Stick around.